Hi everyone, my name is Summer. So this is the continuation of last video where we have configured our management interface IP address. Today we will access the appliance with configuration utility in GUI and we will license the device. Alright guys, so let's see ping 10.1.1.111. So that's gateway is reachable. So next task will be to open a browser. Okay, and on the browser we will do https colon slash slash 10.1.1.111. Okay, this is the management IP. Once we do this, we should instantly be able to get the access. Let me re-verify if my management IP is typed correctly. If config mgmt 0, that's 10.1.1.222. So this is the secondary device. Okay, so over here now to access 222 I need to put the 222 IP address. Yes, we are getting certificate error or invalid certificate. This is coming just because of it's a self-signed certificate by the F5. We'll click on here. Now we will type in admin. This is in this window. If we type the F5 default IP address, default username password, it's not going to be work because while configuring our CLI we already changed the password, or while configuring our management IP we already changed the password, so we need to type that password over here so that we can get the access. That's it, and now it is prompting to change the GUI password. We'll go ahead and change the password. We'll put our own password and again confirming the password, and click on save. It says password has been changed successfully. We will go ahead and do admin and our new password. Yes, we are in. Now over here we are in the GUI configuration utility. It shows the device is not licensed, right? So we have to go ahead and configure the license. So I have few licenses with me. I'll go ahead and configure. Okay, so I have my license key available with me. I'll just copy paste the license key and I'll click on license, or you can go ahead and click on next as well. It's the same thing. If I click on license, I'll click on activate. I'll put my serial key. For this time I will go ahead with the manual, and so that it's in process of registering your device with the licensing server. So if you go through manual we will understand the process. In another video I will explain automatic is much easier, so we will go ahead with manual. Okay, click on next. Now this appliance is going to give me a encrypted key, and which in F5 language is called a dossier. So this dossier, either I can select all with Control A and copy with Control C, or I can just click on download file, download the uploaded file, and I can go ahead and click here to download the file. So I'll go ahead with download the file dossier. So it's downloaded. The file name is dossier1. Okay, now in the second step it says step 2 licensing server. So if you don't know the URL, you just can click on over here. It will open up in your another tab, and the URL is activate.f5.com. okay, now in this window if you have copy paste or copied the dossier, you can just go ahead and place Control V. It will place the dossier over here. In our case, we downloaded the file, so we'll select choose a file, and we can go ahead and browse and select the file. It says dossier 1. I'll select that file which I have downloaded a few minutes back. Click on open. I'll click on next. Once I click on next, this is a license agreement, and we can go ahead and read it through. It's a little bit time consuming. Just, you can, if you agree with the terms and condition, you just select it, yes, I have read and I agreed, and click on next. Once you click on next, this is going to go to the licensing server, and licensing server will provide us the license. So here we have the license. Again, this is the same scenario. You can just select all with Control A and Control C, copy those, or you can just go ahead and download the license. If you click on license, download the license will be get downloaded to your local system. So here it says license downloaded. Right now, I will go back to our big IP, and in the third step it says license. I'll choose the file, click on choose the file. The license one file is there. I'll select that, open, and click on next. Once I click on next, this device is going to execute the license file to its licensing directory, and it will enable the licenses for this appliance, and then we can go ahead and configure our rest of the things. So I'll pause this video for a few seconds, and afterwards, once this licensing is activated, I'll go ahead. Okay, now here we are. We have the licenses activated. We'll go ahead and just click on continue. So once I click on continue, the device is going to give me what are the available licenses. Under resource provisioning, you can see these are the licenses which has been enabled, and we can take our appliance as per our requirement, whatever the provisioning module we need. So for now, I'll take it as LTM, which is the basic license, and click on next. That's it. This is how we license one appliance in our manual way. I will prepare another one on the licensing of device with automatic. Thank you.